Welcome to another episode of Arc Synergy. My name is Angeline. I am a licensed speech language pathologist as well as the founder and CEO of Arc Synergy. Arc Synergy was built to help clinicians with their licensure processes and remove the guesswork around requirements. In today's episode, we're reviewing everything you need to know to obtain your full SLP license. As we go through each requirement, you'll see how this information appears inside the Org Synergy app, so you can reference it anytime during the video. If you're watching on YouTube, I'd love for you to leave a comment and share how many state licenses you currently hold. And if you're listening on a podcast platform, be sure to leave us a review and follow the show so you can stay up to date on future licensing content. Arc Synergy, a centralized licensure platform built by an SLP for SLPs, designed for practical clinical application. In this episode, we are walking through how to obtain a full speech language pathology license in New York. So we will go over the application steps, the required documentation, the education, supervised experience, the exams, the fees, timelines, and all important rules, everything you need to know before you apply. This is a high-level walkthrough for official forms, detailed coursework requirements, and endorsement pathways, including the requirements for school-based practice. Everything, all of those information will be organized inside the Arc Synergy app. This applies to speech language pathologists applying for a full New York license to the New York State Education Department, or NYSED. New York does not participate in the Audiology and Speech Language Pathology Interstate Compact, unfortunately. So clinicians licensed in other states must still apply directly for New York licensure. So the process began by submitting Form 1, the application for licensure, along with the required fees. If you plan to work in New York public or non-public schools, you will also need a teacher of students with speech and language disability credential known as TSSLD. So that credential is separate from the state license. So once your application is submitted, NYSED reviews your education, exam, supervised experience, and professional standing before granting you your license. Your graduate program must submit Form 2 and official transcript directly to the board. Programs must be New York registered or ASHA accredited or determined equivalent by the board. If equivalency review is required, at least 36 of 75 semester credits must be at the graduate level, and the program must include the required practicum experience. New York places strong emphasis on course content and not just credit totals. So programs must cover human communication processes and professional practice, including articulation, phonology, fluency, voice resonant, etc. Related and elective areas may also be required as determined by the board. Applicants must pass the praxis SLP specialty exam. So you must request ETS to send your score directly to the board using agency code R7747. New York requires completion of a minimum of 36 weeks of supervised professional experience after degree completion. This experience may be completed full-time or part-time within a 4-year window. Supervision must meet New York's criteria and be properly documented. Hope you are enjoying this episode so far. Your support is really appreciated. If you are watching us on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know what other state licenses you would like us to cover next. If you're listening to this podcast please give us a follow and leave a comment to let us know what you think of the show. We would really appreciate it. Now back onto the episode. The total fee for licensure and first registration is $294. Online applications may be paid by credit card. Other applications require check or money order payable to the board. Cash is not an acceptable form of payment. International payments must be drawn on a U.S. bank in U.S. currency. Applicants who withdraw may be eligible for a partial refund, though outside testing and verification fees, because those are not refundable. Applicants already licensed in another US state may qualify for licensure by endorsement. So, to qualify, applicants must hold a current US SLP license. They must meet their education and practicum requirements, must have passed the praxis exam, hold an ASHA certification or equivalent, the state license, and document at least 2 years of acceptable post licensure experience within the past 6 years. Foreign license applicants may also qualify through endorsement with additional education, exam, certification, and experience requirements. Once all required documents are received, typical processing time is about 6 weeks, and complete applications will, of course, delay that timeline. To provide speech language services in New York school setting, like I was saying, a TSSLD credential is required in addition to the board license. So school certification requirements are separate, and we have a separate page information for it inside the Arc Synergy app that clearly distinguishes that pathway. So you'll know exactly all the paperwork and the fees that will go into applying for that license. Applicants must be at least 21 years old and of good moral character, according to the board. The board reviews professional standing as part of the licensure decision. For any question about licensure, you can contact the board by phone number or by sending them an email. Both of those contact information are available and kept up to date inside the Art Synergy app. If you want to track all the required forms, you want to confirm what you need in terms of experience requirements, you want to understand the endorsement rules, and most importantly, to avoid delays by missing documentation. Everything we have covered today, plus official links to the board, are available inside the Art Synergy app. You will find New York's licensure steps, the fees, the timelines, and direct access to official resources all in one place. Arc Synergy, a centralized licensure platform built by an SLP for SLPs, designed for practical clinical application. You'll find download links in the description below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen to get the app on iOS and Android devices. For short step app walkthrough and feature demonstration, follow us on Instagram or TikTok. And for real time licensing updates and rule changes, make sure to follow us on X. If you are looking to connect with other clinicians or ask questions or join any discussion, make sure to join us on Facebook. Our community page is open to all clinicians. If you are watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share comments with any questions. If you're listening on a podcast platform, a quick follow and a review really helps us keeping the show running. Thanks for tuning in.